Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the most important topic of our sociology, that is family, household and marriage. In this lecture we will discuss only one topic, that is family, and in the next lecture we will discuss household and marriage. So in this lecture we will discuss only family and what should be the structural format of family. That is important. So the structural format of the family means what we have to study in the concept of family. As a family, as a topic, what we have to study. Then we have to study what should be the introduction of family, what should be the characteristics, features of the family, then what should be the types and the forms of the family, and then we will discuss what should be the functions of the family, then what should be the dysfunctions of the family. And in the last stage, we will discuss what are the contemporary trends of the family. What are the effects of globalization and all the other things on family as an institution. So that should be the structural format. But in this lecture, we will discuss only these: introduction, characteristics, features, types and form. And tomorrow we will discuss what should be the function of family, dysfunctions of family and changing patterns of the family as an institution. So before going to start the lecture, I would like to say something. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट आए और उन्होंने मुझसे बोला कि सर प्लीज़ टीच अस इन अ क्रोनोलॉजिकल मैनर. आप टॉपिक उठाइए और क्रोनोलॉजी में सब चीज़ हमें बता दीजिए कि मतलब जैसे टॉपिक्स है सिलेबस का एंड गो थ्रू दैट. तो आई एम ऑल्सो टीचिंग यू इन अ क्रोनोलॉजिकल मैनर, बट देर इज अ सिंगल डिफरेंस. जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, दोज टॉपिक विच आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी, आई विल टीच यू द फर्स्ट, एंड दोज टॉपिक विच आर लेस इंपॉर्टेंट इन सोशियोलॉजी आई विल टीच यू द लेटर. And always remember one thing, before your prelims exam, in this crash course batch, before your prelims exam, I will teach you each and everything related to sociology. So there is no need to join any other batch, any other coaching institute. Just listen what I said it here, just write it, note it down and refer any book as you like. Best book is IGNU notes. You can refer IGNU notes and coaching materials of Empower IAS. That is more than sufficient to score more than 300 marks. So in this lecture, let's begin with the lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss only three things. What should be the introduction, what should be the characteristics, features of the family and types and form of family. Function, dysfunction and changing patterns will be discussed later on. So in this, what in introduction, I said it to all of you that in introduction, we will start with the definition of family. So in introduction, we will write the definition, and according to Ogburn, family is an association that is formed by the sexual relation between husband and wife with or without children. Family is an association that is formed by the sexual relation between husband and wife with or without children. That is called family, according to Ogburn. We will define the concept of family. Now next, what should be the characteristics, features of the family? So according to McIver and Page, he gave 6 characteristics, features of the family. McIver and Page, Ogburn, then character. McIver and Page gave 6 characteristics, features of the family. The first characteristics, feature of the family is universality. Universal. Family is found all over the world. Not in a single society you found that there is no family. All over the world there is a family. So family character is universal in nature. So what is the second important characteristics, features of the family is nuclear position. One of the most important thing, that is functional in nature, and it is one of the most important. Family is occupying the most important position in the functioning in the society. That is called family has a nuclear position in the society. So what should be the third important feature? It is the basic social unit of life. Basic social unit of life, the most important characteristics, feature of the family. So what should be the 4 characteristics, feature of the family? Responsibility. Responsibility towards family member. The third is, fifth is social regulation, and sixth is affective affinity. So it is universal in nature, nuclear position, basic unit of life, means without family it is impossible to think about a society. And what should be the responsibility, means each and everyone has responsibility towards the family member. What should be the fifth important character is social regulation. It regulate our behavior, how to behave in a society or in a family. And the sixth important characteristics features of the family is affective affinity. It means it provide you the emotional support. Family provide you the emotional support when you are in the crisis. So introduction part is over according to Ogburn, and characteristics features McIver and Page. We are not going to write simply the definition and features. We have to refer some thinker. Then you will get very good marks. So in the last part of this lecture, we will discuss the types and the forms of family. The most important topic of our sociology, types and form of the family. So the first type of family which we will discuss here is family of orientation and the family of procreation. So what do you mean by family of orientation? So those family in which an individual take birth is known as family of orientation. जहां आप पैदा हुए हो वो जो आपकी family है, that is known as family of orientation. And now what should be the family of procreation? It is those family that is formed by adopting a child. Said for example there is husband and wife and have no children, then they are adopting a child. Okay, then that family is known as family of procreation. So family of orientation and family of procreation. Now second important types of family we will discuss here. Most important type, extended and next बताइए, extended family and nuclear. Family of orientation, family of procreation, then extended family and nuclear family. This extended family is also known as joint family in India. Extended family means husband, these are those family which are categorized on the basis of number of generation living together. On the basis of number of generation living together. Extended family and nuclear family. Here husband, wife plus children plus relatives. Here husband, wife plus unmarried children. So in this nuclear family there will be husband and wife with their dependent children. And in the extended family the number of generation increases. Husband, wife, their children, their relatives like aunt, aunties, grandpa, grandmother and all the things. So this is called extended family and this is called nuclear family on the basis of the number of generation living together. Now the third important types of family, that is known as conjugal and consanguine. The third important characteristic feature is conjugal and consanguine. So in conjugal family, the emphasis is more on the affinal relationship. These are those family in which the emphasis is more on affinal relationship. जब आदमी की शादी होती है, then we are much more responsible towards our wife. So the much more emphasis is given on affinal relationship. It's example of nuclear family only. तो जहां एफिनल रिलेशनशिप को ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दिया जाता है, दैट फैमिली इज नोन एज कंजुगल फैमिली. नाउ व्हाट शुड बी द कंsanguine फैमिली? दीज आर दोस फैमिली इन विच द ब्लड टाइप्स आर गिवन मोर एम्फेसिस. द ब्लड रिलेशन आर गिवन मच मोर इंपॉर्टेंस देन एफिनल रिलेशनशिप. यहां एफिनल रिलेशन, यहां ब्लड रिलेशन. एग्जाम्पल नायर्स, केरला. Black Africans, America. Okay, extended, nuclear, conjugal and consanguine. The fourth important thing, the fourth type of family, types of form of family. The fourth is patriarchal and patriarchal and matriarchal. So in this family, this type of family is categorized on the basis of authority, on the basis of authority, on the basis of power. So in these patriarchal families are those family in which the head of the member is father, or the eldest male member of the family. The head is father or eldest male member, and here this type of family is headed by a female. The head of the family is eldest female of that family. So this is all about the introduction, means definition, what are the characteristics, features of the family, and what are the types and forms of the family. Orientation, procreation, extended, nuclear, conjugal, consanguine, and patriarchal and matriarchal. This is all about this lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss what should be the function of family, what should be the dysfunction of the family, and the changing patterns of the family in the present society. And that three topics are very important. And मैं बहुत कम डिस्कस कर रहा हूं बिकॉज इट्स अ क्रैश कोर्स बैच एंड वीडियो लेक्चर ज्यादा लेंदी ना हो, इसलिए मैं बहुत छोटे छोटे पार्ट में डिस्कशन ले रहा हूं. ओके, एंड आई विल एश्योर यू दैट बिफोर योर प्रीलिम्स आई विल कवर ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक इन सच अ फॉर्मेट. आप एक बार जस्ट सी इट हेयर एंड रेफर एनी बुक, हरलम्बस और इग्नू मटेरियल्स, notes, and once you after watching this lecture, once you refer that notes, it is very easy to understand sociology, and I will make sociology as easy that you even can't think. So sociology is very easy, and in this manner we will complete our family. Then we will discuss of function, dysfunction, and changing pattern, and after that we will discuss household and marriage, and in a chronological manner, the most important topic, then the least important topic, we will discuss each and everything. So this is all about today's lecture, and in next lecture we will cover the second part. Okay, thank you.